Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to add Task Manager option in Taskbar context menu in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command regedit and hit enter to open the Registry Editor window. Go to HKey Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Feature Management, Overrides and 4. In the right pane, we will create two dword 32-bit entries. The first one will be named Enable State. So right click in the open space, New dword 32-bit value and paste the value here. Double click on it and change the value data to 2 and click on OK. The next one will be to create an entry named Enabled State Options. Right click in the open space, New dword 32-bit value, paste it here, double click on it, the default value will be 0, let it be. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.